Morning, everyone. It's a little before 7. I am on my way down south to meet up with a guy to go ahead and sell another set of Forgestar wheels here. Getting some gas, fueling up. It's going to be a few hours. Alright, so I'm about 39 miles away from my destination. You can see the wheels behind me. It's not going to be a straight up sale. I'm going to leak that now. We're doing a trade plus cash. So I'll show you what we've got stirring up. Ooh, I'm so excited about this new wheel. And I've been extremely busy. I haven't been able to make my videos extremely consistent. So I haven't been able to do it like what I wanted to do was like every Wednesday and like Saturday or something like that, where I can make it more not only consistent but like predictable. So I do apologize. I've been extremely busy. I haven't realized how many orders are coming through to MyShimano.com, and it's been literally taking up. It's not a bad thing. It's been taking up pretty much all my day. I'm up late at night doing so. So it's good. I do, and I apologize. I've made a lot of promises on other things that I will be doing, offering, providing, and things like that, and I haven't. Like merchandise, I wanted to make, simple things like shirts and hoodies, and people wanted, like, I'll buy one. I would love it, and I would too. I want one for myself, but I haven't been able to do any designing, and printing. So, but I will. I promise. And same thing goes for some of the other things. The raffle is good until the end of the month, so we still have some time on that. I did do some giveaways, give away the phone case, some towels, spa towels, microfiber spa towels, I should say, which I'll do more of. So, like and subscribe, comment below, always. I will always put them in the description and stuff. So, all right, we're here. Just got off the exit. And yeah, we're gonna do this. All right, pulling up. Let's see. Something up. Don't know if you can tell what they are, but it's gonna be an exciting day. As the outcome, you can see the cheesy poses we're striking here with the Forgestar wheels, and of course with the BBS wheels. What's going on, everyone? All right, so moment of truth. Yeah, there they are. Getting this ready. So yeah, we're gonna have a little fun here. We're gonna get these mounted up. We are one happy family. Got the family in the car, right? All right. Pretty exciting, but we just I just put on the new wheels, so we'll see how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and get to a parking lot and kind of take a look at it from a few angles. There she is. Oh, insane. seriously, words cannot describe. Absolutely crazy. Alright, you saw the new wheels. I hope you enjoyed it. Man, I love them. I don't think that could have gone any better. I might change the caps and get a different kind of theme or accent going on. But other than that, flawless. Fitment's great. They're wonderful. Yeah, I just want to give you a sneak peek on that, and I hope you enjoyed. I will definitely have more content coming. Raffle's gonna end soon, giveaway, and all here right now. So subscribe, like, comment, follow my Instagram, visit mashimo.com. We'll see you on the next one. See ya.